Hello Internet, new video and new tutorial. This tutorial will help to solve problem about annoying message appear on HP devices, laptop and desktop. This message is said, "System is booting in manufacturing program mode." This problem is appeared when flashing the BIOS with programmer, and there is no recover of the DMI from original BIOS, or the firmware of the BIOS have problem and clean DMI or manufacturer information. On end the expression, we see number that present the number of restarts that give by manufacturing in order to solve the problem. In my case I have number 1, that mean I reached the limit of number restart, and I have to type the information manually. If that number is higher, I can boot to Windows and enter the manufacturer information. But in my case I have reached the limit, so that system will keep rebooting and never allow me to boot Windows. After that message appear. So this message is appear that tell that the information of manufacturer of the device is missing or invalid. So we type Y to pass the BIOS, and if you don't get this message, press F10 to enter to BIOS platform. After entering the BIOS, we must go to set machine unique data. We can see that information is missing. Now how we got these information? First we must remove the cover laptop. If it desktop, just check side case of desktop or check inside on motherboard. On laptop check if there is any sticker in back cover too or on motherboard. And you must find these information: serial number, product or prodded, build ID, byte feature, CT number. In some laptop you will find CT number on RAM module. What I recommend is collecting the information on text file, to entering these information to be easy process. Now go machine unique data and entering these information one by one. PS. SKU number is the product or ported number. In the process of entering the information you must be sure that these information are the same with manufacturer information sticker, because these no return if you save setting on BIOS of wrong or invalid information, and the device will keep appearing this message and keep rebooting. And in that case to solve that problem will need high skills of BIOS editing, so make sure you entering right information. After you sure 100% of the information that you enter, press on Save Changes and exit. and this message appear to confirm the last information that entering on the BIOS. Click on Yes if the information is correct. And now the device will restart and booting Windows. And here we can see that device is loading to Windows. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.